Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about tokens, part of programming in C++ course. In C++, tokens are the smallest unit of a program that have a meaning and can be processed by the compiler. Tokens are the building blocks of C++ programs, and they are categorized into the following types. Keywords. Keywords are reserved words in C++ with a specific meaning and purpose. Examples include int, float, if, while, for, etc. Identifiers. Identifiers are the user-defined names used to identify variables, functions, objects, etc. Examples include x, sum, my variable, etc. Literals. Literals are fixed values that are assigned to variables. Examples include number 10, 15.5, a string hello, etc. Operators. Operators are special symbols that perform operations on variables and values. Examples include plus, minus, asterisk, slash, etc. Punctuators. Punctuators are special symbols that are used to separate and delimit elements in a program. Examples include semicolon, comma, curly braces, etc. The compiler processes the tokens and converts them into machine code that the computer can execute. Understanding tokens and their usage is an important part of C++ programming. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.